Hello art beaters, Becky here for artbeats.com, and I've got a brand new video for you today. Today we're going to be taking a look at GemDuo beads and how to use them. These are 2-hole diamond-shaped Czech glass beads that are really fun to make bead weaving projects, stringing projects, all kinds of different things with these cool little GemDuo beads. And we even have some findings that work perfectly with them, which I will show you. So let's take a look at GemDuos. GemDuo beads are really cool 2-hole diamond-shaped Czech glass beads. So you can see the stringing hole runs horizontally through the diamond shape, and the front of these beads, they're a little domed. So they're perfect for bead weaving, making really structural designs in your jewelry. And the back of these beads are smooth and flat, so they will lay really nicely in your designs. I did want to mention that DiamonDuo beads are very similar to GemDuos and can be used in place of GemDuos in almost every instant. They're shaped the same, they have the same holes. The only difference really is the surface of these beads is has a little more of that faceted look than the GemDuo bead. The GemDuo dome on the front is a little more rounded and smooth, and the DiamonDuo is a little more pointed. As I said earlier, these beads are great in bead weaving designs. They nest up beautifully together. They're made to be used together. And you can do some really fun edging on these beads thanks to their diamond shape. This bracelet has a lovely little scalloped look on the edges in those bold, dark colors. This is another version of that same weave, just with different colors. It looks really beautiful with that diamond pattern in there. And on this one, even the diamond beads were used for the little clasp as well. So all kinds of different things you can do with GemDuos. This bracelet is another example of how you can use GemDuos. These were used with other shapes such as mini daggers, seed beads, and even some super duos. And this bracelet was finished with symbol findings that are made to be used with GemDuos specifically. So that's these little metal pieces here. They mimic the shape of the GemDuo, so you can easily weave them in, and they often have like a ring attached to the end, so you can easily add chain or clasps. This is another example of using those fun symbol findings that are made for GemDuos in a design. This GemDuo finding, you can just easily weave it right in with your GemDuos. Then it's got that ring in the top, so I added some chain and ear wires to make some really fun and stylish earrings. Let's take a look at some other pieces from symbol findings that you can use with GemDuos. These are similar to the ones in my earrings and bracelet designs. They just easily weave right in. This is like a little focal link connector with holes on the ends that you can easily add. We've got some substitute pieces like this one with the ring on the end for easily adding clasps. You've also got these great pieces for using them in a different orientation, more of that horizontal orientation. So if you're weaving with the beads horizontal, you can weave this way and have that loop there on the sides. Also makes for a nice little scalloped edge too. So that's just a little edge piece. You've got this little piece that can make some fun metal accents in your GemDuo designs. You've got this little substitute here, just a full-on metal bead substitute that you can weave right in with your GemDuo colors. Even a clasp option, that's a magnetic clasp that weaves right in with the rest of your GemDuos. You've got this little, it's almost like a bail that just fits right over the stringing holes of an individual GemDuo. Another great option, and then another great horizontal option with a thicker loop that you can use to attach a clasp or chain or whatever you like. As you can see, there are so many different ways to use GemDuos and DiamonDuos in your designs thanks to that fun 2-hole bead design. And we do have some great findings for using alongside that unique shape that work perfectly with them. These pieces you can all find in our design studio with tutorials, free instructions, and a supplies list, so you can get to town using DiamonDuos and GemDuos in your jewelry designs. thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and inspiring. Please leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions about GemDuos, and let me know what kind of bead that you would like to see next. We love hearing from you and love hearing your suggestions. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to know when videos like this are out. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.